Hello people! Are you planning for a long ride and not sure how to carry your luggage on your bike? I hope this video will solve all your queries. Personally, I do feel loading bags with all those bungee cords is one of the most time consuming tasks. But with a saddlebag, all these problems can be solved. If in case you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Durvas and you are watching Mototech Tube. By now, Rhinox is a well-known brand in the Indian biking community, but I was a bit skeptical before investing 3500 rupees for a saddlebag which I might use once in a month. But the premium build quality is really impressive and it would definitely last for years. Total storage is around 60 liters. It can easily fit in all necessary stuff required for a week-long trip. I placed my XL size empty helmet just to give you a perspective. Take a look. One of the most important functions of any saddlebags is to hold the two bags firmly. And yes, Rhinox ensure firm grip with the D-loop mechanism. Just take a look how easy the process is. I would also suggest to carry a few bungee cords for more safety. There was not a single issue caused due to these bags during my Konkan ride, which was really surprising considering the amount of weight which I was carrying. There is ample amount of space for your pillion rider. I don't think so there should be much of a problem while cruising. Overall, here are a few additional storage options which are really helpful. I really like the fact that Rhinox has also added a tightening belt and also 3M reflector strips for higher visibility. I am yet to test this bag in heavy monsoon, but hopefully it will not disappoint me with the fact that it comes in with an inbuilt waterproof inner dry bag. Now that's all from my side. Hopefully you have liked this video. Thank you for watching.